Mina nginentombi ethanda vodiji. Ngisho yeah, Jezebel, yeah, Jezebel. Mina nginentombi ethanda vodiji.
Sivala ngesitayela la noma siphazanyiswa imvula mara sithi asiyi ndzawo.
Nkomazi rock nakena nani kuTavele. Bhekani la inkomazi ebukhosini.
Kumnandi kubalayela ebukhosini.
Siyabonga Shuba Mnyaka namuhla, it's the Tuesday 27. Siyabonga.
God bless you. Nakusasa niqhubeke nisendele lokho. Happy New Year to everyone.
Umcimbi lomnanzi kangaka eMpumalanga sithi nje ebukhosini siyawusupporta kakhulu siyathandaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu wasezweni awuphakamisa lo mcimbi ngoba njengoba sibona nje ukuthi kuyashunyayelwa ngelivangeli ngetingoma sithi awuqhubeke lo mcimbi ngemandla uNkulunkulu ekumangaliso siyabonga kakhulu
ebukhosini. Let's celebrate.
Mother of all India parties.
What we know for a fact though is ebukhosini always delivers.
Sinje. Hashtag Makazi.
Hello everyone. My name is Makazi Muimbi. I'm here at Obukhosini Resort. Like everything is going down.
Ndotakalanga Mandesa, the crowd is amazing, the sound, the lighting, you know, everything is just amazing. I can't wait to come back again because, you know what, this is a good experience ever. I love you very much, guys. Away!
Simbonile senje kakhulu siyabonga makazi.
It was best to be at Kosini Resort. I love Zex Mbatsane.
Ngicela kubonga Makhadzi, ngimthanda njengamawami. Thank you very so much.
I've never seen this in Komazi. This was the best. That was best.
Hayi bekumnandi yonke into enjoyile.
Mina I was just here for Babe Show Khuphuka. Siyabonga bekumnandi. Sibonge kakhulu ebukhosini resort.
Ebukhosini siyabusa ekhaya lethu la. Chimpumalanga sisonke.
Mzakele Mbatsane, thank you so much for coming to the show. Njoba nibonile ma-artist onke ethu leswabitile afikile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nisibeketelele. Nibonile ukuthi masiqala i-show. Kuwe kwaba nemvula kwabhetha. Thank you so very much for always supporting me, for always supporting Ebukhosini Resort, and for always being there when we need you. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I don't have words. My voice is gone, but I really appreciate you guys. Thank you.